Conversation's actually just been recorded by the in-car video control car. Just
Sure.
your driver's license there for me, please.
Okay.
Where did you come from?
Did you say senior constable?
Yes. Just your license there, sir.
Okay, what I'm going to do, I don't have a license, I don't have a contract with the RMS. Okay, I do not wish to contract with you today. What I'll do is I've got documentation and I'm more than happy for you to read it.
So do you
if you
have
please.
You don't have a license, sir?
I don't have a license.
Do you have any alcohol today?
No, zero alcohol today, but I will not comply. I'm happy to cooperate with you today.
All right.
Okay?
Have you had any alcohol today, sir? Can you count 1 to 5,
Now,
please?
Now,
Just 1 to 5.
like I said,
Yep.
I do not wish to contract with you today.
Thank you.
Okay,
Love you,
that's
madam.
fine.
Just your license there, thanks.
All right.
Have you got anything with your
Told
name
you-
on there, sir?
I told you I don't have a license.
Okay,
Okay, I
fine,
do
sir.
have something there with my name. You can read if you like. Okay, it's a document. Now, you probably want to read this. Just pay attention when you read it. Okay, it means what it says.
Okay, sir.
I'll give you a couple of documents. You can take a moment to read them. That's fine.
Can you state your first name, last name?
Aha. Okay, again, I do not wish to contract with you, officer. Okay, now,
Is this what we're going to have? Where have you just come from?
I'm not arguing with you.
Let me
I just
tell you
need to...
I just asked where have you
Okay,
come from?
good. Okay, well, see, that's private,
Where are you
right?
going to now?
And that's private. I'm travelling in my private capacity today.
All right,
Officer,
sir.
I'm a man. I'm a living man.
No problem.
Okay,
Is
now,
this your bike?
now, what I wish to
Your bike?
What I wish to do with you today is show you what I have here on paper. Okay, now, you can see it how you wish to see it.
Yep, no problem.
Okay, but it is the truth. It's all the truth. Now,
Is this for me to have?
not for you to have. Okay, there's a read.
Yep.
Read only.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, look, you can read that for starters.
No, just give me
read
what
that for starters.
No. I'm not in a contract with you. Just give
Right.
me what I need to read, sir.
Okay, well, just give me a sec.
All right, you're on a
Right.
road. You're on a road-related area. You're riding
That's
a
right.
motorbike today. All right, you've been stopped for a random breath test. All right, I've
Take-
asked you. So this is you.
Just take that and read that for the time being. Okay, just give me 1 sec. Here, take that with you.
Just stay right where you are.
Very important that you take that with you. Okay, you take your time.
I'll be taking all this with me.
No, you can't take it with you. You need to give that back to me. Okay.
What do you know, sir?
All right, officer. Now, before you go ahead,
Stay in front of the vehicle.
before you go ahead,
Stay in front of the
I
vehicle.
must serve you a notice for and on the record.
Sir,
I, a living
stay in
man,
front of the vehicle.
hereby
Sir,
serve notice
sir, stay in front of the vehicle.
that if you do not now provide me
Sir.
with articulable probable cause that I am a party to a crime
Sir,
against
I'm
a
asking
potential
politely.
or actual living victim, you agree that in fact you do not have standing in this matter and that you are liable in your private capacity, accepting your full commercial liability under penalty of perjury for any false claims against me and the resulting damages whatsoever. I reserve all of my rights, waiving none, including my right to remain silent. You got your business card? Can I have your business card, please? I'll need your business card. I need your business card, please. May I have your business card? Do you suspect me of committing a crime? Do you suspect me of committing a crime? Do you suspect me of committing a crime? I've asked you 3 times, you've not answered. No, you don't. Come out so we can have a chat. I'd like to talk to you. I'd like to have a chat with you. I am not under your authority. I'm not under statutes, acts, codes or legislations. I'm not under those. I'm warning you. I'm giving you a fair warning.
Sir,
I'm not under...
I can't read this while you're
Okay.
talking to me.
Okay.
Could you please go in front of your motorcycle, sir?
Continue. I'll do what I need to do. The motorcycle's not going anywhere, I'm not going
Sir,
anywhere.
can you please stand in front of my vehicle, please?
I'm not under your authority, Constable, with
Don't
all
come
due
into my
respect.
window.
Okay,
Sir,
I
don't come
respect
to my
that.
window.
I'll respect you for
Let
that.
me do my paperwork, please. That's
I
fine.
sure
I'll
will.
just wait for another vehicle.
That's okay. You do what you need to do. It's up to you. Best you read the paperwork, Constable. It's best to read that. You will enter my adhesion contract, Constable.
Sir, please stand in front of the vehicle, please.
You will enter my adhesion contract.
Camera here. Please stand
Yeah.
in front
You've got a camera here. You've got a camera there.
Sir,
Shy 14, next Shy 14, confirm you've got one lane open, is it okay, parking?
this would have all been done and over and done with. You've been on your way.
It's up to you. But see that? That says that I'm not a person. And if you look at the
Sir,
If you look at
please
the
stand in
LEPRA,
front of my vehicle.
Law Enforcement Powers and Responsibilities Act, which you're responsible for,
Sir, please stand in front
where
of the
does it
vehicle.
say you have
So you're
power
not complying
over a
with my
man?
direction. So you're not complying with
I'm
my
not
direction.
complying. I'm happy to cooperate with you. I'm not
Sir,
arguing with
can you
you.
cooperate
I'm
with-
informing you.
Sir, can you please stand behind your motorbike?
I'm doing my best to inform
I'm
you.
asking you politely, can you please stand in front of your motorbike, please?
I'm doing my best to inform
I'm
you.
asking you to stand in front of my vehicle, please, sir.
I will not.
I'm asking you politely.
I'm not under your authority.
Sir,
You like to?
no. You're giving me paperwork.
I do not stand under your authority.
I'll
All
back
right.
that off you
Go
in a
f-
moment.
go for it.
okay, at
Read
this
your
point in
paperwork.
time. All right, let me do my paperwork.
Mate.
All right, and don't approach my vehicle again.
Okay.
Can you stand in front of my vehicle, please, sir?
All I'm doing is making
Conversations
sure-
and actions have been recorded.
I-
I don't care if you've got a camera
100%
recording me,
perfect.
sir.
And that's what
Sir,
we need.
You're making things difficult. You could have been on your way by now.
I'm not
But
making
I've got
anything
all this
difficult.
paperwork that I need to
And I'm
read
not
now.
arguing with you.
Sir,
I'm trying to inform you.
sir, no, they don't want it. It's none of their business.
See, not a citizen, not a
Sir.
person,
Sir,
living man.
sir, do me a favour.
Mate, I told you I'm not under your authority. With all due respect, mate. Do we have a?
Sir, I'm not told you, I'm not underneath an agreement. You're on a road-related area. Your vehicle's unregistered, got no insurance,
Is
and
this
you're just a
federal?
qualified driver.
Is this
Let me
federal?
let me just fill out my paperwork
Or
and send
state?
you to court. Can you please stand
Mate,
here?
you can fill out your paperwork. That's fine.
Thank you.
Go ahead,
So please stand by my
mate.
vehicle.
Not a problem.
Vehicle,
Not a
follow
problem.
my direction at least.
Not a problem. I'm happy to stay here for you. Finish what you're doing. I'm happy to go after that. Thank you. Appreciate it. Okay.
Gabrielle, I'm Constable Hassett from Southern Police. I'm letting you know I'm wearing a body-worn vehicle.
Okay. Your number?
Recording our conversation, your actions. Do you understand that?
No, I do not understand. I do not stand under your authority.
Okay. I'll let
Okay.
you know.
Okay. Okay. Now, I'm going to serve you a notice. For it on the record, I, a living man, hereby serve notice that if you do not now provide me with articulable probable cause that I am a party to a crime against the potential or actual living victim, you agree that in fact you do not have standing in this matter and that you are liable in your private capacity, accepting your full commercial liability under penalty of perjury for any false claims against me and the resulting damages whatsoever. I reserve all of my rights, waiving none, including my right to remain silent. I'm travelling in my private capacity today. I wish to be on my way. I do not wish to do business with you guys today. No contract. We don't have a contract. I do not wish to contract. If you guys do something against my will today, you enter my adhesion contract. That's very costly. I do not wish to take your money. You work very hard. I do appreciate the work you do. Now, you have free will to choose. You choose whatever you wish from this point forward.
Stay over here.
Absolutely not. No.
Just here behind.
No. Absolutely not. No, I do not stand under your authority. And I mean that in a respectful way. Okay? Yeah. Now, I've put you on notice.
As I said, this whole thing's being recorded.
And I totally agree with that, because that's going to save me. What's going to happen? Has today been good so far? Good. Look, if you do the right thing, your day ends well. And the months ahead, they go well. If you do the wrong thing, and we know, I know, if I do the wrong thing, the same thing happens to me. We're all
Yeah, I've
equal.
done the wrong thing.
No, I
That's why
haven't.
you
No,
can stop.
no. There's notice. Who's got notice? RMS has been notified. It's all lawful. It's all legal. Now, if they've not notified the officers, then That's not my problem. It's notice to one is notice to all. It's written. It's contract, basically. And they've accepted it. They've not sent it back. It's proper, lawful. But it's up to you to decide. Hello. We're just having an honest conversation, that's all.
What ID card's that you got? Do you understand?
No, have a look. Have a look. Feel free.
You've got your beliefs and all the rest of it.
Yeah, no. The truth is the truth. It's not a belief, it's fact. It's facts. Because if I'm telling a story about my belief, then it doesn't stand in court, right? Now, you guys, while you're acting as a constable, right? You're acting constable? Acting. That means you're a fiction. I'm a man. I'm in the real world, in the living. So that means that statutes, acts, codes and legislations don't apply to me, okay? And when I say that, that doesn't make me free to go and commit crime. Because if I do, then I go to jail. But it makes me free from the system. That's all it does, okay? It means I treat you how I wish to be treated. And that's all. It's very simple. And if you guys treat me how you think you want to, and it's not really good for me, then I get to make the contract. That's how it works. It's pretty serious. It's not a joke. So you guys can do whatever you choose. Either way, it ends well for me. It takes a man to carry out the act. You're responsible. You've been given power. You're responsible for that power. Misuse of the power will work against you. In the court, in the Supreme Court, that's where it'll go. Right.
Is that recording? Sorry to keep you waiting, sir. All right, so today...
It's okay, it's $900 an hour. You do realise that, don't you? You read the contract there?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay. Go ahead.
All of our conversations and actions are all being recorded by the in-car video patrol car today, sir. All right. Receiving infringement notice for using an unregistered motorbike today. All right. Receiving infringement using an uninsured, no registration, no tax.
Got my insurance here. You've been ignorant to that. You've been ignorant to the insurance paper.
So that's
there it is. Hang on one sec, mate. You show the camera. There's the insurance. Okay. Insurance. Okay, so I do not have a contract with the RMS.
On the 28th of April 2022.
Right.
9:30 a.m. in Sutherland.
Thank you for the invitation.
Right.
Okay, well, they're aware that I'm not under statutes, acts, codes and legislations. Thank you.
Ride your motorbike?
Well, that's up to me. That's up to me. Now it's up to you. If you stop me again, you will get yourself in deeper trouble.
Yep.
Do you understand that?
No problems at all, sir.
Okay.
If the offence continues to be committed, then maybe you would
Right.
address the bail condition would be a consideration.
Right.
If you're going to
Now, as we're speaking, okay, so as we're speaking the truth,
so you understand that. Do you understand?
I do not understand. I do not
You
understand.
don't understand.
You don't understand?
Because the words that are used, your words, when you say do you understand, you mean do I stand under your authority, and I do not.
Thank you, sir.
And I've made that very clear.
Thank you.
Take that to the magistrate.
God bless you. Well, if this continues, we'll see you in the Supreme Court, not the magistrate. He'll be a judge. Yeah, mate.